Recently, the machine manufacturer released a new version of the hopper seal. Both seals work well, but depending on which seal you have, it needs to be installed differently. The primary difference between the two seal types is a large groove through the entire seal with small ribs on the inside as opposed to a flat back. If your seal has this large groove, it needs to be installed directly onto the hopper by fitting the back opening of the hopper into the groove on the seal. Ensure the seal is tightly fitted to the back of the hopper opening so that there are no gaps between the seal and the hopper. Check around the hopper to make sure the seal isn't pinched or bubbled up anywhere. The hopper is then installed onto the machine and pressed securely against the seal. Inspect the seal to ensure there are no gaps or pinches between the seal and the hopper. If the seal is pinched, it will cause the product to leak out of the machine. If your seal does not have this groove, it is installed directly onto the machine by pressing the larger flat side of the seal completely flush around the back of the cylinder before installing the white auger as follows.